This is OnePlus Neckband and it's not working. When I charge it, shows LED, and I open this part. I thought the battery was dead, but battery is good. The battery has 4.2 volt. The battery is good condition. So to find out where is the problem. That is okay. So we're going to see that is there any problem in internet logic. Then screw. Open it. Still not work. Then I don't care. Cause no problem. This neckband we have good quality battery. We can use it in another project. We have this earpiece that we are going to use. Let's check this terminal. Is there any voltage? It has 4.23 volt in here. Then still it's not power off. So no wasting time. Let's now replace this earpiece. This cable is very thick, but we'll manage it. Now we have to disassemble earpiece. So here is our earpiece. We don't need this up the band. At first we have to unassemble the unit, and it's much easier than previous one. In the left here we cannot recognize which connection is for speaker because it has 5 wires. So we have to open this thing. It needs some heat too. Oh, can we open it or not? It's glued and the glue is super strong. So finally we found our 2 working earpiece. This one is right, left, right. Now we need a soldering iron. So what we can do, we have to insert this cable here somehow. I think we don't need the coffer. And to make it secure, we can use some shrink tube. We just attached our right side, and now we'll try to assemble our left here. So here is our left earpiece. So now we will try to solder it. First clean it. I think first one is connected and try to connect. Okay, maybe but it now it works, but I made a mistake. I soldered right speaker to the left side and left speaker to the right side, so I have to do this again. Okay, now it's okay. Then it's done now. Oh no, still I applied some glue and I will keep it together after 2 or 3 minutes. Now it's time to assemble it again, and our neckband is ready to use. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.